guys.
Happy birthday, Edgar! Woo!
All men's and shit.
26? Damn.
Damn, fool, I'm old.
26.
Old as fuck.
Happy birthday.
I would be 26 and shit.
I'm actually 26.
So I hope you guys
No
enjoy
fucking way.
this
You just
crazy spiral.
I'm gonna do 27.
It's Edgar's birthday and it's about to go down. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go.
Do that little that little noise thing. Ding, 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 ding. You should put that shit like right here. Subscribe. Arriba, cabrones. Enjoy that shit. It's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be my birthday party. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be cool.
Move your feet like this.
I'm having an ugly Christmas sweater party, but like I feel like no one's gonna bring the ugly ones. It's gonna be really nice stuff. It's gonna like they're gonna wear like nice ones. Cause I have one, but it's not ugly. You know what I mean? I don't want to say they're gonna have an ugliest sweater, but I hope everyone has something. The white elephant game? Yes. Production told me there was a game called White Elephant, so I have an idea of what it is, but not really, I guess you could say.
Happy holidays.
Like I know there's drinks involved, but and presents maybe or some shit like that. Someone wins something, so we'll see how that goes.
On the spiral. About to get this drunk elephant going.
The game was... Well, okay, how do you describe the game again?
One by one, you're gonna go and pick a gift. You're gonna open it. Try not to touch it as much. You know, unwrap it, show everyone. Each bag holds an individual drink. You can only exchange a drink one time. The first person to drink their drink will win a crazy ass prize. Trust me. Crazy. You guys are gonna want to win this. Trust me.
And don't sneak in the bags.
Yeah, you can't look into the bags.
You just grab it.
You just gotta grab it. Like really though, like I'm happy to see all my friends together just because the fact that it's the holidays and it's a new season, I can only imagine how it's gonna go down.
I'm gonna suck at it, I'm gonna tell you right now. I don't like drinking random shit, I guess. I don't wanna like mix my drinks, but who knows? It's my birthday, so we'll find out.
There were some interesting drinks there, and you know, I think everyone enjoyed it. The most interesting, I like Corona, so I would have steal that honestly.
Yeah. The first one to drink their drink will win their prize. Wait.
You gotta surely.
got the worst drink. My drink sucked. My drink was, I think it was an IPA, and I was already drinking tequila and vodka, and it was just intense.
Yeah.
The Mike's Hard Lemonade, out of all of them, why would I get that? Like, seriously. I drank that in like 30 seconds though. Ah!
Shut the fuck up.
I'm just kidding.
He won. What'd you win, Alex? I don't feel it.
I wasn't expecting the speaker. That was cool. That was definitely cool.
Thank you everyone for watching. I just won this motherfucking badass weekend. And like we're gonna have some fucking lit ass time. Let's go. Here,
What are you gonna say?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
It's cool to hang out with everyone, but honestly it feels kind of illegal to do things with a big group and not safe, especially because a lot of people just start criticizing you for the wrong reasons. So we try to keep the circle small for now, and you know, but we're really hopeful that things get better. So I'm a pro vaccinator. I'm gonna tell you that right away. So go get your vaccine, inform yourself about the vaccine. If you don't want to take it, that's fine, but at least educate yourself in it, because I believe that that's going to be the new normal nowadays. So get your vaccine, let's get together. Hopefully this shit gets normal again.
Hey, ooh.
Don't talk shit, bitch. We're safe.
How do you guys like my ugly Christmas sweater though? I don't care what any of them say. My sweater was the nicest. I think so. No? No? You don't think so?
I look at her, huh? I know, I look at her.
Okay, that's good. I look good. Wait, actually, I was competing because I was trying to get the nicest sweater, and apparently Jerry got the nicest sweater, so it is what it is. He always wants the attention, whatever.
The hottest lesbian.
I always get excited to DJ, and even better with my friends, because we all share music all the time and I get to play them and they're like, oh my god.
The fact that Luis is going off is making all of us spiral, because we're all dancing and I'm excited to be here right now.
The last time I saw Luis DJing was in Palm Springs, so It's gonna be nice to bring him back.
I think we all missed each other just because I'm looking around and everyone's spiraled. So this is exactly how I pictured it.
I felt good.
Move your feet like this. Move your feet like this.
It's zapateado, or it's like Melly's version of like, I don't know.
The obvious, honestly, I like Jerry's. Jerry was dope, and with his chain out, it looked like a cool swag for Christmas.
So everybody drank a little too much. I think they couldn't handle it, but it is what it is. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching us. The Christmas sweaters, awesome. Like Edgar, you did awesome with the decision that you made. I feel the holiday vibes going, and I love this. Happy birthday, Edgar. Who spiraled the most? I think I did, because I don't even remember what happened. Like watching these clips, I'm like, what? I was there, like, damn.
Damn, that's a good question. I mean, the birthday boy went to sleep early, but we all stayed at his house and, you know, drank a little bit, including myself. Well, I should say drink a little bit, spiral a little bit. We spiral, everyone spiral a little bit, so.
I ended up cutting it short because I was too spiraled. I went to my bed. But everyone was still there hanging with and shit. So I didn't mind that, you know. Everyone was there, so my house, your house, so. Yeah.
Thank you guys for tuning in into this holiday season. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because the Spiral Diaries is just getting started. Let's go.
Alright guys.
Nos vemos. Hopefully, we'll see you soon again. You know, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Edgar.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. I just got a GoPro for my birthday, so we'll see how that goes.
Hell yeah.
2021, ish get it.
See you guys.
Let's go.
Be safe. Vaccine. Get a vaccine.
Yeah, vaccine for sure. Actually, 2 of those. 2 doses.
Some of y'all need 3.
George needs like 4 of those bitches, bro. Get that shit ASAP.